Welcome to my sessions. And again, good evening, everyone. So, today we are going to talk about building generative AI applications, especially with .NET. So, as the participants of this event, guys, you can grab this amazing digital badge and you can showcase your skill about building generative AI applications. Right. Again, not only that, in the session time, you have the chance win amazing tech swags pack, right? So yeah, right. Before moving to the today's session, let me share a brief introduction about me. I'm Nisal Gunawardhana. I'm a software engineer at Olee AI, and also I'm a Gold Microsoft Learning Student Ambassador and a Postmaster leader. And again, I'm a GitHub Campus Expert as well. Not only that, guys, I'm a student at SLIIT. So yeah, that is brief introduction about me. And here, guys, you can see my LinkedIn profile QR. So just you can scan that and follow me through the LinkedIn. So why I'm saying that in my LinkedIn, I share a lot of valuable resources with you guys. And again, so that's winning chance as well. So right. So this is some snapshots from my previous works. So in the past few years, I try to do a lot of things for a Sri Lankan tech community. Not only Sri Lankan tech community, as well as all of the student community. I'm engaging within few global programs like Microsoft Learning Student Ambassador, again Postman, again GitHub Campus Experts. So I try to do something. I try to do some impactful thing for the community, right? So yeah, this is some snapshots from my previous works. So now we are we are going to start today's lessons. So this same content I'm delivered also in the some universities sessions like Calania, again Slate. So yeah, sometimes I deliver the same theoretical sessions, but today demo is special. This demo is new one. So guys, you can complete this demo part and you can grab the amazing digital badges as well, and also again certificates from Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program, right? So I have a questions, right? How to use AI in your development? So how we can use? The answer is we can use AI models with our own developments for our AI developments. So that's a simple answer. So I'm correct. So when we talk about the model, guys, we can see two type of models. First one is already existing models. Second one is creating new model. So today I'm not going to talk about the creating a new model. Today I'm going to talk about the existing model, right? So when we talk about the model, the first question is what is an AI model? So guys, basically AI model is a program that has been trained on a set of data, and it can performs one special task or a few general tasks. So that's a basic idea of the models, right? When we talk about the AI models, we can see uh, three types of models. First one is LLMs. LLMs means large language model, and second one is SLMs. SLMs means small language models, and yeah, third one is reasoning models. So guys, let's see one by one what is it. Right. First one, large language model. So guys, basically large language model is a powerful, high resources and multi-purposes one. So for example, GPT is the large language model. When we talk about the large language model work in within the tokenizing system. When we add some prompt to the large language model, then large language model perform on that by tokenizing. So when we add some text, they try to tokenize every part within the reliable things. So they tokenize and they chunk that data sets and they try to uh, train those data within the model. So that's the basic idea of the large language model. So I think you can understand what is it. And second one is small language model. When we talk about the small language model, yeah, small language models using a small data set for train, and also it's take a least computing power. And again, that SLMs performs on the one specific task or a simple task. So basically, small language models we are using for a one specifically task or a simple task. And when we compare these two models, I mean LLMs and again SLMs, the SLMs are very flexibility in the deployment and also it's cost effective and it has a ultra low latency and again it very easy to manage rather than uh, LLMs, right? So yeah, that's the basic idea of the SLMs, right? So I think some people's waiting in the lobby. Let me add them. Right. Okay. So thirdly, we have to talk about the reasoning model, right? When you talk about the reasoning model try to make a reason for something. So it's try to logical reasoning. It's try to give us to problem solvings and also it's try to solve a problem step by step. So assume we ask something from the reasoning model, they try to answer in step by step, step by step. That's the special things of the reasoning model. Also here I add some special article. So guys, you can scan this QR and move to these special articles and it's written by the Vinayak sir. So I think it's very good article about explain reasoning model. So guys, you can access these article links also in your docs. I have previously shared one. So yeah, right. So well done, guys. So just all of you know what is the LLMs and what is the SLMs and what is the reasoning model, right? So just we know what is the model and what are the type of the models. So when we try to use these things, we have to two techniques for using this model in our own development. The first one is RAG model. Second one is fine tuning. So basically, RAG means we try to attach. I mean, we try to inject our external data sources within the models and we try to get answer within that. Basically, RAG enhance a AI model by connecting the external knowledge base. I already explained that. That means we inject our data set with the model and it's try to answering within that data, not only the model data set. And the fine tuning is somewhat different. When we talk about the fine tuning means we get some external data sets and we retrain our already existing models within the a new data set. So RAG is very cost effective one. It's not consuming so much computing powers. That means RAG is very cost effective. But when we talk about the accuracy, sometimes RAG has some hallucinations. it's not 100% accurate, but using good RAG method, we can make a good accurate, right? So when you talk about the fine tuning is fine tuning accuracy is very high, but it's also it has a uh, large cost. I mean, it when we need to when we talk about the fine tuning, we need to external computing powers for retrain our already existing model with our new data set. So that's mean we need to more computer power. That means again we need to more cost for the computer powers. So that's the basic idea of the RAG and fine tuning. So well done, guys. Just about the already existing models and model types, and also two methods of using already existing models for our own developments. Right. So now we know about the model. Again, we know about the model and we know about the methods what we need to use those things for our own developments. And yeah, so let's see how to utilize these models for developments and where access them. So just we know, or we have already existing models, and we know we have the two type of methods for using those things for our own development. So the next question is where access them. So guys, Microsoft introduced three type of tools. First one is AI Toolkit for Visual Story of Code, and second one is Azure AI Foundry. Third one is GitHub Modules. Using these three tools, we can access already existing modules, right? Yeah. So let's explore one by one. Right. So first one is AI Toolkit for VS Code. So I am moving to this one. And guys, sorry, guys, you can use this AI toolkit in the VS Code. You can try these models in locally as well. That's the special things, right? So yeah, you can move to the VS Code. So let me move to the VS Codes, and you can move to the extensions, and here you can search AI again tool. I think it's available here. AI toolkit. So this one. So guys, you can install this one. I already installed with this one with my default uh VS Code profile, but now I'm in the I think .NET one. So yeah, so you can move to this page and you can install this one. So it may take some time to install, right? So you can install this one, and once you are installed here, you can see Azure and again AI Foundry. Now it's Microsoft Foundry. Uh, Extensions already installed by default. And yeah, you can move to this one. And here you can see we can access models within these tools. So here we can see some models and some tools linked here, Microsoft Foundry, and again, GitHub. So yeah, here you can access model. Here you can see model catalog as well. So once you reach this model catalog, here you can see uh, lot of models available here. So like Claude, again, OpenAI models like GPT, again, Microsoft 5 models, DeepSeek. Yeah, here available lot of models. You can try out this model within AI toolkit. And also here you can see model playground available for your usage. And yeah, and also here we can see AI builder options and lot of options here. So I'm not going to deep dive in these tools. So the thing is today we are going to talk about the uh, .NET AI generative AI application, right? So I'm not going to deep dive in these things. So you can try out this yourself, right? So again, I am with my presentations. So yeah, the second tool is GitHub Marketplace. I mean, GitHub models. I'm already talk about this GitHub models in my YouTube channels and again in other sessions as well. So if you are not aware about the GitHub Marketplace, I mean GitHub models, guys, you can watch these sessions in my YouTube channels and also my all sessions recordings available in nisalgunawardhana.com, my official websites, my portfolio. So you can access my session on that website as well. Right. So again, the tool is actually I found it. Before moving to this one, let me show about the GitHub models, right? So I'm moving to this one, GitHub models. Let's see GitHub Marketplace, right? Right. Search and go to the marketplace. Here you can see GitHub models. So this is the place. So here you can see this place also available. OpenAI, DeepSeek, Llama models, again. Yeah, here we can see a lot of models, right? So here you can see a model catalog. So we can find a lot of models here, already existing model, guys. So using this one, you can access the uh, already existing model. So let me share the this one with you guys. So yeah, again, I think I have to share the Q&A, this one. Right. So to answering, and I think this link me to another person, right? Again, this is the form, right? So yeah, right. So also, I miss some part in the GitHub models. Here, guys, you can see a playground for play with the models. So why we need to playground? For play. So guys, you can play with the model in this place. So just I move to the playground, click these models. And guys, here you can try out models. And here we can see special things comparing. So guys, you can move to this comparing playgrounds. So here you can send some, I add this here to 5 model, I think 5 1, right? So you can compare models within same prompt. So I just shared this one. Can you explain the basic of machine learnings? So let's see what model is perform superbly, right? So let's see. Right, here we can see 5 model is generating answer, uh, but GPT-5 is still thinking. So sometime within my connections, it's depend, but here we can see 5 model is answering fast, right? So, but OpenAI GPT-5 is still thinking, right? It's try to respond. It's responding. I think it's still thinking, but 5.4 model is already written their answer. So yeah, so you can use this one and try to compare models, and you can play with the models in this place. So anyway, I'm just close this tab and again move to my presentation. Right. So the tool is Azure AI Foundry. Right. Today we are going to try out this one. Right. So using Azure AI Foundry, we can do a lot of things, but here you can see Using this link, you can access the Azure AI Foundry. You can just search ai.azure.com in your web browser, and you can logging with the Azure. So if you are trying to using this Azure AI Foundry, now it's Microsoft Foundry, it's rebranding again. Uh, First, it is Azure AI Studio. Then it's rebranding as the Azure AI Foundry. I think now it's Microsoft Foundry. It's rebranding again. So anyway, this is very powerful tool. Using these tools, you can try out AI agents and again AI chatbots. And yeah, I think now you can create a AI workflow also within the Microsoft AI Foundry, right? So using these links, you can access this one. And also, if you are trying to use this one, the thing is you need to assure credits. So if you are students, guys, you can get free Azure credits as the students. I already shared a docs with you guys. So in the first slide, this docs. In this docs, you can find out Azure free credits links for students. You can move to that link and you can grab it, right? So Microsoft offer $100 free credits for every students. So if you are a students, you can grab that one, right? So yeah, so and other thing is in Azure AI Foundry has the benchmark for compare models. It's very powerful tool rather than GitHub models comparing system. Here we can add different type of parameters and we can compare every model and we can get the benchmark as well. So that's the special things in the Azure AI benchmark. Uh, in the previous Azure AI Foundry, this benchmark is available, but I haven't idea about the new Azure AI Foundry. Is it available or not? Anyway, guys, if it is available, you can try this one. This side is my old side, so I'm not aware about is it available or not. Anyway, this is very powerful tool, right? So now I'm moving forward. So this is today's session demo. Once you complete this demo, that's mean you can grab the this digital badge. So let me share this link with you guys. So this is demo link, right? This is demo link. First, I will share this one with the QA. Again, I have to share another person, right? And again, I have to share this one within you in the chat, right? Guys, you can access this repo link through your chat and again in the QA sections as well. So come on, hurry up, guys. So let's move to the GitHub repo. So yeah, I'm waiting for you guys. So let's come to this GitHub repo. So we are going to try out this demo, right? Right. So once you come this place, so I need to know if you are in this repo or not. So guys, and again, you can start this repo for your future reference, and again, it helps to get reach this repo, right? So I'm repress this one. So guys, you can click this star mark and start this repo, right? So yeah, let's quick hurry up. So I'm waiting for your stars, right? I can see 4 stars, only 4 stars. So again, I'm refreshing. Oh, 7 stars, Right, let's see. 8. So what about others? Hurry up, guys. Right, 10. Again, let's see. Oh, I think it's 10. So guys, others also can start this repo. So let's see. So I think it's 12. So others also can start this repo. And yeah, so let's see how we can start this with this repo. So yeah, I think one person in the lobby, right? I will add. Right. So yeah, so let's see finally how many stars in this repo. Yeah, it's 13. So others can start this repo and uh, sell this one with your start repos. Right. So let's start today demo. Right. Once you have come these layers, here you can see, you can scroll down and here you can see GenAI starter .NET repo. This one is this is the GenAI starter repo. So again, I have another reminder. So if you are not following me through the GitHub, you can click this one and move to my GitHub profile. If you are not following me, here you can see a follow button. So you can click that button and follow me. So why I'm saying that in my GitHub, I share a lot of learning resources like GenAI Starter. And again, I'm share the GitHub for beginners. And yeah, I share a lot of valuable resources with you guys like LLMs, powered SAP agents and SAP starter. Here you can find a lot of learning repositories like GitHub module starter repo. Yeah, you can find a lot of learning resources with my GitHub. So that's why I'm saying following me through the link GitHub. So yeah, so again, I'm refresh and yeah, ISO 3 or 2 people follow me. Right. So let's I have moved to the GenAI start repo, right? You can move to that repo. And once you reach this repo, just scroll in, right? So here you can see prerequisites for try out this repo. So guys, this is a .NET specific session. So actually this session organized within the .NET Conf 2025 sessions. So that's why this is especially targeted for the .NET. So you have to install .NET SDK. So yeah, basically you can type uh, here .NET, sorry, .NET, again, sorry, .NET, download, right? So here you can see .NET download link. So according to your operating system, guys, you can download .NET. So the .NET 10 is released, but I think the stable version is .NET 9 still. So, and also this repo is created with the .NET 9 SDK. So you have to install this one. And also you need to GitHub installs. Again, you need to GitHub account. So I think everyone has the GitHub account as well. So if you have a GitHub account, you can access this place also. You haven't accessed this one at least, right? So anyway, you need these prerequisites. And yeah, so if you have these prerequisites, you can start within this demo. So if you haven't these things, you can set up these things and try out this repo in the later. So no worry, guys, this uh, demo is available every time. You can try out this one and you can complete the assessment and grab your digital badge, right? So yeah, so first we have to start and form this repo. So we already complete these steps. We start and Now we have to fork this one. So how we can fork this one? For that, you have to scroll up and here you can see fork button. So what is the fork mean? Fork mean once you click this fork, that's mean this repo add your GitHub account as the copy. So that's the basic idea of the fork. You can grab this repo in your account as the copy. So I already have this repo. So I'm not going to fork this one, guys. You can fork this one. So let me see how many people fork this one. Right. I think four. So yeah, again, let's see. So five people. So others can fork this one as well. So once you're forked, it's available in your own GitHub account, not Nisal Gunawardhana's one. So once you're forked, you can move to your account profile and open this model. So what this repo. Once you open this repo, guys, here you can see your username, not uh, my one. And here you can see GenAI starter. And also under this topic, you can see a link for the original repo. I mean, this repo. I mean, you can see Nisal Gunawardhana slash GenAI starter or something, right? I'm not sure, but here you can see a blue color link, right? So now you have to move your own fork repo, not my one. You have to move your own fork repo, right? So once you moved it, you can scroll down, and in your repo, you can see cloned uh, your you can see the second command. You have to clone your fork, not the original one. Here I specially mentions not the original one. You have to fork your own repository, right? You have to fork your own repository, right? What we have to do, we can use git clone command with your repository link, right? So not my one, you have to use your repository link, right? So you can copy this to command and move to your notepad, right? Move to your notepad and paste this. So I think, right. Once you paste this here, you can replace this your username within your own username, or you can replace this whole link. So you have what you have to do, you can move to your GitHub repository, and here you can see https and copy this one and move to the notepad and paste it. Oh, I missed this one, right? Paste this, right? Once you paste, here you can see your username, not my one, your username again. And you can copy this one and open the terminal, right? Open the terminal, right? Once you open the terminal or in your PC, you can use, I mean, if you have a Windows one, you have to use uh, I mean, CMD, not the terminal, right? So I have to go back again, right? So, and you can paste this command and press enter. I'm not going to clone again. I already cloned this one. So once you have cloned this one, it's create a local repository in your PC. So I think everyone have a little bit idea about the GitHub and GitHub commands and those kind of things, right? So yeah, once you done this one, then what we have to do? So then we have to install uh, .NET dependencies. So for that, we can use .NET restore command, or you can use this whole command. So first try this .NET restore command. If not working, you can use this command. I think it's working, right? So once you are done this one, I already done this one, I think so. So let's copy this one. Let me see. Right, I copy this one and I moved to the this one, and yeah. So I think this is very easy, right? Right. This one, and yeah, I I'm already in the AI toolkits. I close this one. Right, right. I'm going to close these things. Right. And yeah, also I need to close this one as well. And I delete this one and get new terminal. So you can open this terminal in here. I missed the one part. Once you have cloned this repository, then you have to open that repository within the VS Code. I missed that part. I'm completely sorry. So assume this is your once you add these commands, uh, then you can use command called code space dot and press enter. Once you add this command, it's automatically opening your repositories in the VS Code. If not working, sometimes it's not working. You have to configure these commands in the Mac. I think also Windows as well. So if it is not, if not, it if it's not working, you can open it's manually in the VS Code as well. So once you open it's within the VS Code, you can move to the VS Codes, and here uh, you can see terminal and new terminal, or you can use command in my uh, in my Mac. I'm using a short key for the open terminal, and then what we have to do, then we have to use this command for install dependencies. So sometime .NET restore command is completely okay, but sometime it's not working, maybe, right? So then you have to press enter. So I think it's working and it's rolling, and yeah, it's done, right? Then what we have to do? Then uh, we have to create some we have to create .ini file. For that, we can use these commands. Let's say I'm moving, and you can this press this one and press enter. I'm not going to add this command. I'm already created it right here. We can see I already have .env, and again I already have uh, I already have token add as well. So you can use this command and uh, create the .env. Once you have created it, you can see this kind of env in your .env file, right? You can see this kind of env, right? So once we move to this place, we can add endpoints, and we have to add a token, right? So yeah, so how we can get the GitHub tokens? So then the next step is we have to add API tokens, right? Right. For add this API token, what we have to do? So for that, here we explain how to get GitHub token. So we have to move this place and press this one and move to the GitHub token, and we can generate a new token. And yeah, you can use passkey or your security things. Your password or something. I'm just using my passkey and add workshop token, right? no need descriptions, but it's I just use in all repositories, and I have to add permissions for modules, right? Here, I think uh, permissions for a module. I think it's model, but it's maybe sometime change. Yeah. Anyway, right. So let me see. Let me see. Not webhook or actions. So anyway, we can. I think without permissions, maybe we can use this one. Uh, oh, I missed this one. So we have to create a classic token, right? We have to create a new classic token, right? So let's I move to this one and add some node workshop, sorry, workshop token, and it's available for 3 days. And yeah, and scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. I think yeah, available that one, right? Maybe. So public repos. So game. Right. Anyway, I generate the token, right? So once I generate, I copy this one and yeah, I copied this one and move to my uh, projects and I can paste it, right? So yeah, once we paste it, then we can try out these examples one by one, right? So once we paste it, we can save it. And then, so we have to move again our, I mean, my repository. So you have to move to your own repository. I'm using back. Right. So once we add these APIs, so then what we have to do? So also you can guys, you also can use this GitHub, or also you can use Azure AI Foundry, right? So I will explain how to use Azure AI Foundry as well. So for that, what do you have to do? For that, you have to get Azure subscriptions. As the students, you can access the Azure subscription. It's available for every students in Microsoft. Or Microsoft gives $100 for every student using your student files. You can access this, and once you create the A- Azure subscriptions, then you can sign into the Azure AI Foundry. Here I add all names Azure AI Studio. Now it's Microsoft Foundry. You can use this one and sign into the that particular platform ai.azure.com. And once you are reached that place, you have to create a project. So once you are reached this place, you can see this kind of window. Here you can see new, create a new. You can click this and you can choose the recommended way and you can click the next button. And again, you have to add a project names and you can go with this default settings and then you can click create it. Once you are created, it's by default moving to this kind of window. So this window, you can see overview and model, playground, and lot of things, but you have to move move to the playgrounds. Once you have moved to that place, you can create a deployments. And once you have create, once you have click this one, you can see this kind of window. You can see model catalog. You can choose the model, and create a you can create the deployments. Once you are creating, you can move to the model deployments. It's available in the down corner in your AI Foundry. And once you click it, you can see your development. In these screenshots, uh, I'm deploying GPT-4, and you can click it. And once you are moved to that particular developments, you can see target URL and target endpoints, right? Right. So I move to that particular image. Let me back. So once you have grabbed these things, so you can move to the about on projects. You can use that endpoints, and you can use that API key right in this place. So let me try Azure Foundry. Maybe within my connections, I'm not eligible for that one. So today Sri Lankan has the bad weather. So maybe I cannot access this one. Yeah, I think within my connections I cannot access. Oh, so here I already moved to the Azure Foundry anyway. So it's my lab, maybe, right? So once we move this one here, it's now Microsoft Foundry, not as we have Foundry. Once we move this place, we can create the project if need. I already have the I workshops demo projects. I moved to that projects. Once we move to this place here, I already created the deployments within the playground, right? So I think so. So maybe not. Let me see. Yeah, I already deployed GPT-4. So then I can move to the model endpoints, and I can click this one. And yes, I can grab the endpoints. I can copy this one in here, and I can paste this one in this place, and I can get the key and paste it here. So if you have so if you have uh I mean if you have Azure, if you have Azure subscription, you can use this one. If you haven't, you can use the GitHub model. It's freely available. Anyway, once you are at these things, so you can save the .env, and then I move to the my repository, right? Once you have reach out this demo repository, then what you have to do, so then uh, we can right? Then we can try out each sample, right? So first one is a basic one. So you can copy this one, and we can try to run. Maybe I think the API endpoints and token is correct. I think it's working. Maybe, uh, yeah, let's try. So yeah, first program, basic program is running, and let's see what happened. Right. Yeah, it's working. So, oh, unfortunately, I think it has some issues within this API endpoints, and again, API uh, tokens, right? So anyway, we ask these questions. Then if we add correctly these endpoints and token, it's answering correctly, right? So maybe here we have some issues within these tokens, right? So Yeah. Anyway, so you can create a correct API endpoints and API tokens. So, and you can try out these examples in one by one, right? So, I'm not going to try out these within the corrections. So, I haven't a lot of time. So, anyway, so you can try out this one by one. And finally, you have to assessment, right? You have to create a traveling support agents within this code base. And once you are create this, once you create this, you have to submit it, and you can grab this digital badge and a certification for this special repository challenge, not for the today session. If you submit the particular participants, I mean attendance forms, that's mean you are eligible for the participant certifications. And again, you can complete this repo and you can grab this particular badge and certifications as well. Right. So once you have create these travel agents, then what you have to do, then you have to make a pull request for your own repository, not my one. I mentioned that one in clearly. And once you have create the PR, then then you can copy that particular PR URL, copy that one, and move to the main repository in my repository, and you have to create the issues, right? Once you are moved to my repository, then what you have to do here, you can see issues button, click it, and then move to the new issue, and you can create the issues within uh, details, right? So yeah, so that's about the today session. I mean, today's session's demo. So again, I'm moved to my presentations. So again, I invite all of us try to complete this demo and try to grab your digital badge, right? So yeah, this is end of today's session. So I think this session is valuable for you guys. So today participant count is somewhat low. I think today we have in the Sri Lanka has the bad weather. So that's why the participant count is low. Anyway, so I have another message for you guys. If you are not following me through the LinkedIn, guys, you can follow me through the LinkedIn. So why I'm saying that in my LinkedIn, I'm share a lot of resources, lot of technical resources, sometimes the swag stars I share with whole audience for these opportunities in my LinkedIn, guys. So you can follow me through the LinkedIn as well. So yeah, thank you everyone for participation today's session. So guys, if you have any questions regarding today learning things, you can add the questions for the Q&A or chat sections, right? So the one person asked participants form link. So again, let me share this, right? Okay. This is the document, guys, and this is the participant attendance forms. You have to fill out this one. And again, this is today's session's demo one. Uh, if you complete this one, you can grab the digital badge, guys. So unfortunately, I cannot run this demo. The thing is, so I cannot create the particular URL endpoints. I mean endpoints, and again within the uh, credentials. So that's why I cannot run this one. But I already run this one and do some workshops in my university. So it's working. You can try out this one and you can complete your travel agents and submit it and you can grab your certificates as well. So anyway, if you have any questions, you can add your questions through the chat sections and Q&A. So I'll give the, I think, 2 minutes. So if you have questions, I'm just answering. So if you haven't any questions, so we can wind up today's session.